Elliot. Okay, Clay. Karen.
Hey, Mom, I'm gonna go to the spin out again.
Tristan, you've been on it 4 times already.
I know.
Hey, here.
That's not necessary.
You better, tough guy. Can't put the little ball in the tight hole. But all your leather-wearing butt buddies say the same thing.
No, that's a buzz
really?
no.
Oh, Jesus, you guys, I was screwed around.
Some rusty iron. Got them AKs.
God bless Gorbachev.
Exactly, you got that right.
Tristan.
The cops say. Took a report. Hale's out looking. I want you to find him. You bring him to me first. Pay anything you want.
I don't want your money. Nobody comes into my town and does this to an innocent girl. We'll find the sick bastard. But when I deliver him to you, I'm gonna need to know that justice will be served.
Okay, deficit hanging over our heads. Do we really want to be out there playing some pro bono Lone Ranger? Guy raped a 13-year-old. 13. I get it. I just don't like putting my ass on the line for some outsider. Clay Oswald doesn't give a shit about Sam Crow.
You know, people get jammed up in this town. They don't go to the cops. They come to us.
That's right.
And that means something to me. Anybody wants to pass on this?
We're in. No, wait.
I'm in. We're in. Absolutely. I'm in, too. Guess we're not in the tot bagger then.
Good. So what do we know?
Harboring a fugitive. What are you gonna do about it?
Citizen's arrest.
Here's a scumbag raped your little girl.
Cattle guys call this an Elsie maker. She used to cut the balls off of bulls. Strip them. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Hold him still.
When we take action to avenge the ones we love, personal justice collides with social and divine justice. We become judge, jury, and God. With that choice comes daunting responsibility. Some men cave under that weight. Others abuse the momentum. The true outlaw finds the balance between the passion in his heart and the reason in his mind. His solution is always an equal mix of might and right.
Agent Cohn, ATF, Chicago 3 Division.
Deputy Chief Hale, what brings you here?
Been working an interstate weapons case. Outlaw crew in your town may be involved. Sons of Anarchy?
Welcome to Charming.